So here we're given these two shifts, morning and afternoon, and we're given that the ratio is 13 to 9. So I'll use the multiplier approach. So that's 13x and 9x. So 21 students moved from the morning shift to the afternoon shift. So this would become 9x plus 21, and then this would be reduced by 21. And what they're saying that this new ratio is now 19 to 14. So this is 19 to 14, and that would give us what x is. So I'll go ahead and first find out what x is. Let's see. So I guess it will be a bit of work trying to see how I can reduce the amount of computation. I'll move that term here. So 13 times 14 minus 19 times 9, x. And then 21, since we have the 21 common, I can add 19 and 14. So that's 33. I'll just use a calculator to compute that. 14 times 13, 182 minus 19 times 9, which is 171, which is 11. 3, so x is 21 times 3, or 63. So that would give us the number of students in the shift to begin with. So that would be 13 times 63, that's m, and then in the morning shift, afternoon would be 9 times 63. Now, we're told that these new students join, and their ratio is 3 to 8. So again, I use the multiplier approach, and these join the morning and the afternoon shift. And then the ratio becomes 5 to 4. Now, this is after this change. So I have to compute that one, 13 times 63 minus 21. That's m. A is 9 times 63 plus 21. So here, if I factor out a 21, that would be this. And here, if I factor out a plus 1, so this would be 21 times 38. I'll leave it in these numbers. 21 times 28. And then we're adding this 3y and 8y. And then we're told that this ratio, let me just make sure, yeah, this is to the morning. And then 21 times 28 plus 8y, this ratio is 5 to 4. The number of new students who joined, which would be 3y plus 8y, what is 11y? And we just need to solve for y from this equation. So just, I guess, tedious in terms of the computation. I'm just trying to see if there are any ways to reduce the work, but I'm not sure. 28y. Actually, I can divide throughout by 7, and that would maybe reduce the amount of work. Actually, I can divide by 28. And then 28 goes here, 4, 7, 3. So 3 times 38 is 21 times 5. That's equal to y, and I'll just compute that. 3 times 38, 114. 21 times 5 is 105. And that means y is 9, and that means the number of new students is 11 times 9, or 99. So, I mean, it's not a terribly difficult question, but I think the numbers are kind of just too large, and obviously there's quite a bit of this computation, and it's easy to make a mistake somewhere. Obviously, if you make any kind of a mistake, you probably won't get any of the other answer choices if you did any computation. But yeah, it is a little bit tedious. The answer is D.